So, alright.
Oh!
Hindi ko alam na ganun performance niya.
Let's do this. Oh!
Okay. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. What's the smell?
I love it.
You love it. I know, like that.
love it.
Okay.
Ba't ang
Inhale.
bilis sa akin?
Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. All right. Very good. Very good. Let's go here. Let's go back here. I will measure your breath. Okay. Inhale deep. Oh my God, it's too strong. It's too strong. Exhale. Oh.
Hindi ka talagang may prepare eh. Hindi ka gigising ng umaga tapos i-expect na 6 hours later may bayag na sa mukha mo eh. Alam mo yun?
Mas nakakatawa kasi yung nilalapit niya tapos nilalayo yung mukha sa titi niya. Pero nilalapit